Hello students, in continuation to earlier, that is topic of function, scalar function or aggregate function, both are given as a part of your syllabus. You have to practice these functions seriously because these functions are very easy and you can achieve good marks. I think that you student, you are already familiar with such functionality, but how these functions can be used in mysql and sql, you must learn. There are two ways to practice. I am stressing here practice. For practice, either you can install mysql dbms software over your system, means computer. It will prompt username and password and you will assign password, and then after you execute mysql command prompt and it asks you password, you enter the password and execute. Then after it shows a prompt and where you type your mysql or sql queries. It's very easy, but time changes. Now for the practice purpose you can use online mysql also, but net connection must be there. If internet is off, you cannot execute queries. That's why you should install mysql your system. For handy purpose, we can use mysql as online. To use mysql online, what you have to do, open Google, then type online space mysql and press enter or press search button. It will display list of mysql online compiler. One of them is given as a part of pesa.io. We are going to use it. Very easy, just click here. As you click, if net connection is there, next page will be displayed that shows start mysql online, free version, beta. And as you press run start, it will show command prompt here and there will be multiple lines. By default will be given and you can erase, you can remove these lines and can use your own statement here. Students, by default this statement create table test. It means it will create a table with name test with two fields, id as integer and the title as title name. Now student, what happening here, next statement is insert statement to pass the value in the table that is already created, that is test table. We are specifying column name inside test table, value to be inserted in first in id and second in column title, and values are 1 and hello. You can use multiple insert statement to create multiple rows, and if you execute, if you run this statement select star from test, it will display the number of rows as you have entered. I execute this statement, run, it is running, and as after run of the statement it is displaying in output window 1 and hello. And here in above part text, data is in the text form. Now I write next insert statement. Insert okay, it will show square rectangle that you are writing here. Insert into test and then bracket. Here we will specify id id why it is not accepting. Values, then 2 comma Manan semicolon. It should be semicolon is not here. There must be semicolon. In this keyboard I think it is not given, but student, you will find it in your keyboard. I am not finding here semicolon. Okay, it is given as a part of this colon sign. We have to press it for few moments. Okay, now it's semicolon here, and now press run. Student, you will finding that it was harder for me to use semicolon because I have used it in this keyboard pattern first time. Okay, student, you are finding here two rows. First row hello with id 1 and second row Manan with id 2. It's very easy. Okay, student, for each time as you create rows, it will be displayed, but it will be not stored permanently. That's why on execution earlier rows is not here. On each execution it will display only those rows which are inserted here. Also in this statement I am having only two rows. Now if I press again run, again it will create test table, again it will insert data first for first row, then again it will insert data for second row. So each time it will display only two rows, and if I want more rows I will have to insert here more. Okay, so no problem, it's very easy. Now students, you are familiar that how we can use mysql online. It's very easy. Okay, thank you.